Hello friends, this is Cheryl for Subtle Beauty. Today we're going to create this beautiful Valentine's Day look inspired by the one and only Selena Gomez using the new Subtle Beauty Valentine's Day kit. Let's do this. So the key to flawless makeup application every time is making sure that your face is primed and moisturized properly before any type of makeup begins. I love going in with any type of moisturizer or primer if I'm trying to target any specific skin issue. Now for the fun part, I like going in with any type of brow gel or brow pomade to really set my eyebrows in place. I take my spoolie and I'm going to brush up my brows and set them in place. Now that your face is primed and your eyebrows are done, you're going to go in with your choice of foundation and a blending tool, whether it be a brush or a beauty blender, and start to work the product into your skin to create an even, beautiful canvas. I'm going to go in with the concealer to spot conceal any of my concerns that I have on my face. Blend, blend, blend. Now that our face is flawless, let's go in with some of the fun stuff. Start off, I'm going to take the eyeshadow duo called Wonderlust. First thing I'm going to do is take any type of blending brush and go in with the darker shade in my crease. Really packing that eyeshadow color in the crease and making sure that you are blending it really, really well. Now go in with the lighter shade and put that all over my lid. Really making sure that you're blending it out and covering the lid entirely. Once you're done with your shadow, you're going to go in with a liner. I love using a brown liner on my green eyes because I feel like it helps them pop. And you're going to add a little bit of wing. Little tip, once you've applied the liner on the outer eye, if you just take your finger and brush it out, it will give you that wing effect with really no effort. Now go in with the lip cheek duo and apply that on the apples of my cheeks. Just dabbing the product on my cheeks. Do I look ready for Valentine's Day or what? Once I've applied the cream blush, I'm going to go in with any type of setting powder and set my face. We're almost done with this look, but now we're going to go in pink in a pinch, powdered blush, and apply that over the cream blush that we just applied. You're really going to be focusing on the apples of your cheeks. I now go in and apply my favorite mascara. Now to tie in this whole look together, we're going to go in with the same lip and cheek duo in color Perfectly Pink and apply that on our lips. And there you have it. The most perfect Valentine's Day inspired look by the one and only Selena Gomez. I feel like it came out beautiful, and there are so many different ways you can play around with this, but this is my final look. Happy Valentine's Day, guys.